Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Vanguard coins in Mobile Legends. First, understand that Vanguard coins are a special currency earned through specific in-game events and achievements. They are essential for acquiring unique items and resources that can significantly boost your hero's power or unlock new content. Knowing their value is key to making smart decisions about when and where to spend them for maximum benefit. Earning Vanguard coins is straightforward once you know the methods. Many players acquire them by consistently completing their daily and weekly quests, which often offer a generous amount. Additionally, keep an eye out for special in-game events. These frequently provide opportunities to earn a substantial number of coins as rewards. Sometimes, simply achieving certain rank milestones can also grant you a nice coin bonus. Once you have accumulated a good number of Vanguard coins, it's time to spend them wisely. Head over to the in-game shop or any active event stores where these coins are accepted. You can typically use them to buy valuable items like hero fragments, which help unlock new heroes, or skin fragments to customize your favorites. Some events also allow you to exchange them for emblem packs or even battle points. To truly maximize your Vanguard coin efficiency, always prioritize purchases that directly benefit your most played heroes or roles. It is often wise to save your coins for limited-time offers or rare item rotations, as these can provide exceptional value. Resist the urge to spend impulsively on common items that you can acquire through other means. Strategic saving ensures you get the most out of every single coin you earn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.